If you're feeling disconnected from your wife and noticing a shift in physical intimacy or emotional distance, it's natural to wonder what's going on. Could she actually be a lesbian? Perhaps she suddenly developed a very keen interest in queer cinema, listening to LGBTQIA plus podcast, or gushing just a little too passionately about her latest female celebrity crush. While these subtle cues might raise an eyebrow, don't play full-time detective just yet. Plenty of straight folks go through dry spells or admire women on screen. The only real way to know is to skip the wild guessing games and have a gentle, honest heart-to-heart in a quiet, private setting. Approach her with love and respect. Ask open-ended questions and give her room to share her truth. Whatever unfolds, don't forget to take care of yourself too. Acknowledge your emotions. Take a few deep breaths and consider leaning on a therapist to help you guide your next move.